Is your Nintendo Switch getting stuck boot looping in recovery mode? Try these troubleshooting tips to break out of the loop. Hard reset the console. Hold down the power button on your Switch for 12 seconds to force a hard shutdown. This will reset the console and interrupt the recovery mode loop on reboot. Boot in maintenance mode. Enter maintenance mode by holding volume up plus volume down, then pressing power. This will clear the cache updates that may be causing issues. Reinsert game cartridges. Eject any game cartridges and carefully clean the connectors before reinserting them. Damaged, dirty connectors can trigger recovery mode loops. Check microSD card. If you installed custom firmware or ran unauthorized software, your microSD card may be causing boot issues. Format your card using a computer or try a different microSD. Contact Nintendo support. If software and hardware troubleshooting does not resolve the issue, you will likely need to send your Switch to Nintendo support for inspection and repair. Getting stuck in recovery mode loops can happen after custom modding attempts or even software bugs, but trying resets, maintenance mode, and checking connections, cards should help stabilize standard Switch consoles again.